안녕하세요. Hello to my more than 600 subscribers. Welcome to my channel. So we're going again to eat inside Shabu-Shabu. Yeah, come inside. There's Shabu-Shabu. Like it, Kuya? Introduce. Here's my after again.
Shabu-Shabu. So these are like the vegetables. Different types of noodles and dumplings. Salads. Salad corner.
Salad corner.
Dessert corner.
Okay. Here's my after. He's free. I cannot afford Piolo Pascal. So my opa. Udong? Yeah, I like tteokbokki.
Fish cake.
Tteokbokki, that is.
Pasta roll.
Pasta roll. Yeah. And of course the egg. And then suju. 안녕하세요. Hello to my more than 600 subscribers. Welcome to my channel. Yeah. So tonight we will eat something yummy. You know, something so Korean. Yeah, hot.
It's not Korean. It's Chinese.
It's Chinese? Okay, I see it correct. I think it's Vietnamese. Hindi ko na alam, basta nasa Korea kami. So, yung waiters nila is Vietnamese. I don't know. As long as it's food. So, we're gonna eat. So, I'm with my friends from... Oh, there. Look. Beef. It's the beef here in South Korea. It's really good, right?
Yeah, but it's not Hanu.
Yeah, it's not Hanoi. Say hi, my friends.
Hola.
Hi to my subscribers. Let them eat. So, I hope you will enjoy our eating. Yeah, this is how you do the shabu-shabu. Because Kuya is a chef. Yorisa.
Self-proclaimed.
Yeah, Filipino chef. Wala nga lang siyang certificate. Papagawan ko pa siya ng certificate. Kasi hindi siya graduate sa culinary school. Graduate sa bahay nila.
Pero graduate ako sa bahay ni Kuya.
Graduate sa bahay ni Kuya. Sinong Kuya yun, Kuya?
Masters pa ako ng YouTube.com.
Yeah. So, ganito sila dito. So, ipakita natin yung kanilang mga ingredients. So, these are the vegetables. Ay,
We
ito.
have meatballs.
Yeah, meatballs.
Maybe like crab.
Oh, crab, shrimps. These are
And mushrooms.
mushrooms. What kind of mushroom is that? Yeah, tapos ilalagay here sa pot. Sa kumukulo. Ay, hindi pa siya kumukulo, pero mainit na yan. And then with this one. Kasi gagawa ng spring roll ang aking friend from Vietnam.
She will demonstrate.
Yeah, she will demonstrate how to make spring roll later. So then, put the beef later. there.
Told you. This is the regular.
Yeah, regular.
soup and the spicy soup.
Yeah, they are team spicy. Yeah, you are team spicy. Yeah, Yan will demonstrate how to make spring roll. And I will just take a video. You cannot see me. I will just eat.
It's always like that.
Yeah, oh my gosh. Sabi ko na nga food trip lang yung ano kasi ako lang yung kumakain. So ito yung, what do you call this one?
Spring wrapper.
Yeah, in Vietnam.
We call this one
Mein Chang? Mein Chang? You got it.
We use this one for make spring roll.
Spring roll. So Yan will demonstrate later. So Kuya is busy now cooking.
Maybe I'm so excited because
Yeah, it's not yet boiled, Kuya. Parang hindi pa siya masyadong...
it's to boil.
Yeah, starting to boil now. So, the team spicy. Dalawa lang sila yung kaya nilang kumain ng sili. There.
Nakaka-type na Lisa.
Yeah. This is the spicy one. Oh my gosh.
The smell really is good.
Yeah, the color is different.
But outrageous.
Yeah, oh my gosh. So, here. So, we're gonna eat shabu-shabu. Yeah, and then put everything. Just put everything, Kuya. I will just take a video of the food because this is food trip.
You want? But I can share.
Balls. Yeah, and then the beef. There, beef. See, ang ganda ng beef nila, no? Pinkish. Mas maganda pa sa akin. Oh my gosh, what is that, Kuya? Oh, the crabs.
Hindi ka kasi six beef na
Yeah. I think it's not. Pero yun na yan.
Ano na yan?
Yeah, shrimp.
Maybe we have so many meat. Have you ordered two, right? You can ask her and see.
See, they're speaking Vietnamese because the waitress is Vietnamese. Amazing, right? Okay, go lang. Mga actors and actress.
And the selfie.
Actor and actress. It's okay because it's good. Yan. Naglalagay ni si Kuya.
So then you can get there as much as you can.
So now Kuya is cutting the cooked crab. Wow.
I will share it.
Yeah. Show you. Check naman yun. I just put there.
Yeah. And Chita will divide another job.
Yeah.
It's very expensive.
Yeah, how much is the seafood?
19.
Yeah, and then Yan will demonstrate on how to make.
Sorry.
Yeah, just wait. Check naman yun. Spring roll. The Vietnamese way. Yeah, the original spring roll. There, get some vegetable. And then put
Because beef maybe is more expensive. Yeah. This is yours.
I'm not eating. I'm...
What did you buy?
Yeah, put some beef.
Put it in the Just order soda. Alright, soda.
My acid is growing.
Who wants Coca-Cola?
Yeah, there. Vegetables.
One. Coca-Cola.
Vietnamese way. Yeah, para siyang lumpia, pero iba lang yung wrapper. At yung laman, mga fresh veggies. Tsaka. There. For me?
Yeah.
감사합니다.
My sauce is here.
Yes.
So, this is the output. So beautiful, right? So, I will eat later.
How much Karen is that? The cost? Shabu-shabu. Pesos.
Okay. It depends. Kasi depende kung magkano kayo, ilan kayo mag-share. Share namin mamaya kung magkano yung bill. But it's expensive. Let tissue. Yogurt. Later. Yogurt. Oh, ang ganda din pala siya. Sa Shabu-Shabu.
Me, Evelyn, person, and one, Karen, I guess. Yeah.
Iinom tayo ng sabi.
Sushi?
Napakita ko na lang. Ang dami kong ano. So this is the tukbuki. Ano ba yan? Hindi ko nahuhuli yung tukbuki, guys. Sensya na, masyadong ano. Ayun, tukbuki. Ayun natin sa tukbuki. Sure na. Mm. That's spicy. Spicy? Tukbuki. It's a fish cake.
Udon.
Udon? Yeah, udon in Korean.
Udon.
So spicy, brother.
Good one. It's good, this one.
Chili sauce.
At first, I don't know tteokbokki, but when I find it here, I really like their tteokbokki here. Very
It's
good.
good. It's not chewy.
Yeah, it's not. Not really.
It's not chewy.
I don't.
You don't like tteokbokki?
Johnny maybe like.
Too chewy.
You know, in Korean drama, like, they really promote this tteokbokki. Like, it's really good in Korean drama. Like, it's perfect.
Marketing level.
But in real life, let me tell you honestly, it's really chewy.
It's like mohasi, like palitaw.
Yeah, it's like
Palitaw.
palitaw.
It's like when they talk about
Rice cake.
this. They talk about yes, good, but it's not really our daily.
It's like a traditional.
We eat it rarely. Only once in a while.
Tapos ang hirap niya pang
Tita, I
ano.
will give you seafood.
Pero masarap yung tteokbokki nila dito. in fairness. You try Chita.
Ball.
Ang hirap nga lang ng kunin. Bakit ang hirap ng kunin tteokbokki?
We are the foodie group.
Yeah.
Classmates.
Ano ba yan? Parang ang ano ko na.
Ang ano?
Mm. Mm.
What was it?
It's good. It's not so chewy.
I will eat now. Let me photo. So I will try the spring roll made by my friend again. Like a fresh lumpia.
Sabat yung biga na lang. Sabi ko, nag-chat ako. Ang boyfriend ko pala andyan.
Shout out to Nolimar Mijares of Iloilo City.
Ito siya.
Tingnan tayo yung lumpia.
Ubus na yung, ay, kunti na lang yung wrapper. Some sauce. Kasi hindi na talaga ako nabubuhay pag walang kanin. Naman na nagtutbuk eh.
Sorry, but I will not eat rice.
This is my rice. I'll put some seaweed and like some vegetables. Ito yung uso dito eh. Sarap. Keep. Tapos kailan ko lang naman naiit. Mga summer na.
And have one different.
Just combine.
Can you give beef to Chita?
Okay, okay. This is the beef, the cooked one.
What do you love?
One is cooking.
That's good
With
for
some
two.
sauce.
This one is good for three. I'll go for one.
And then some rice. Thank you, Lord. It's really good, the sauce.
Oh, shit.
A few moments later.
There, tapos na kaming kumain. May mga tira pa. Busog na busog kami. So, we finished eating. Nawala na yung lipstick ko. At saka nabusog ako. How much? How much did you pay?
I'm thinking that the bill should be refilled.
Oh, it's not refilled?
Because I don't think whether it's refill or not. That's why I don't refill. I don't ask for more.
So we can refill.
Because the receipt.
How much? How much? Show the
The
receipt.
time here is the beef is 14 times 3 and this one 19 times 2. So it should be this one only take one bowl, right?
She said it's 2 already.
She said it's too. So me and Clark.
It's too small.
So how's the, well, how much is the total?
Already combined too.
Yeah.
The beef?
One crab.
Oh,
one
the
shrimp.
beef is 14,000 won per set.
Let's go to the toilet.
19,000 is the seafood.
You know, in my country,
Very expensive here. My gosh.
I
Bye.
cook the